If your business is to be successful, it is crucial that you understand what in your marketing is working and what isn't. Many small businesses operate in a vacuum. They spend time and money developing a website, producing brochures, doing social media, email campaigns, and direct mail programs with no testing and no real way to tie results to specific activities. The money you invest in marketing your business is precious. In order to maximize the value you get out of your investment, you need to test activity before rolling it out. When you know the results of individual marketing activities, you can use the information to improve your marketing. You can also make informed decisions about how best to allocate your marketing budget in the future. It has been proven that just by regularly measuring your results, they'll improve by up to 5%. This is because by monitoring your results, you're setting your subconscious the task of looking for ways to improve that factor. Testing applies to every aspect of your marketing. By doing small, inexpensive tests, you can make sure you have the most powerful message possible and are using the best marketing approach. Testing your headline is a great place to start. Here's an example of the difference it can make. One company tested 4 different headlines for a diet product over a 3-month period. The sales letter remained identical, only the headline was different in each case. The results showed that one headline produced almost 12 times the number of sales compared to the least responsive headline. Amazing, isn't it? And just imagine what a difference that made to sales. So, what can you test? Headlines, offers, packages, prices, and bonuses. You may even consider testing different ways of getting people to contact you. Only ever test one element at a time. Use the winner of every test as the control, and keep running the control until a better version beats it. Remember, your marketing activity costs you the same, whether it produces 1 response, 10 responses, 100 responses, or nothing at all. So, why not test the different elements to maximize your investment?